Okay, so on a previous video, I had unboxed the Caltric chain from Amazon, and the chain was missing. So just got this. All right, so this is what it comes with. All right, again, we have the sprocket, front sprocket, got the rear sprocket. Now here is where the problem was before. I opened this one up and there was nothing but a master chain link with the oil. So let's see. That's heavy. Okay. Alright, so now we got the actual chain. There's the red one. And there's some links. Okay, everything. So it looks all to be here this time. So this is what should come in the Caltric chain for, I guess, any bike, but this is for a CBR, 2000 CBR 600 F4. Alright guys, so this is the correct one. Returned the other one, got the new one. Everything seems to be here, looks good.